Welcome to the social science class of 8th standard. We had started introduction to sociology. In that we had started Indian sociologist and we had started discussing about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We discussed about when he was born, where he was born, and we discussed about his parents, his education, where he completed his education, with whose support he has completed his education. Then we learnt about his contribution like Mukanayaka, who are Shudras, and other works. Today we shall learn about another Indian sociologist, that is G.S. Gurre. His full name is Govinda Sadashiva Gurre. He was born on December 12, 1893 at Malvan of Maharashtra. You can see the map, children, where the Maharashtra map is shown and blue color represent the Malvan. He completed his college education from Mumbai University, that is Bombay University. He received his PhD from the Cambridge University of London. He returned to India and started his teaching career at Department of Sociology at Mumbai, which he founded. He is called the father of Indian sociology because he was the first founder of sociology department in India. His contributions are Caste and Race in India in 1932, Scheduled Tribes in 1943. Another work is The Indian Saints or the Sadhus in 1953. He wrote many other books. Another important Indian sociologist is M.N. Srinivas. His full name was Mysuru Narasimhacharya Srinivas. He was born on November 16, 1916 at Mysore. His father name was Narasimhacharya and mother name was Rukmini. Till now we have understood about M.N. Srinivas' personal details. Now let us understand his education details. M.N. Srinivas completed his MA, LLB and PhD from Bombay University. Completed his doctorate of literature from Oxford University. He was popularly known for his field-based work. What do you mean by field-based work? When the sociologists have to write a theory about the family or about the society, they go to the field and observe and analyze it and study it. That is what is field study. So he was popularly known for the field study. While he was studying at Stanford University, his field study notes were lost due to agitation of students. Based on his memory of the field work, he had written A Remembered Village in 1976. Now, let us understand the contribution of M.N. Srinivas. The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India in 1952. It was written with the guidance of his teacher Radcliffe. Indian Village. Social Change in Modern India 1966. We have already told The Remember Village in 1976 are some of the important work. Another important sociologist is C. Parvatama. She was born at Segal village of present Davangere district in June 1928. Exact date of birth is not known because of the absence of genuine birth certificate, because she lost her father when she was 9 months old. With the support of her maternal family, that is the mother's side family, and her aunt, that is her younger mother, took care of her. She completed her education with a single teacher at village. She continued her middle school education at neighboring village, Lokher village, and high school education at Davangere. A teacher named Kantaraj Shetty arranged her intimate education at Mysore. She finished her intimate education at Maharani College of Mysore and she got second class in the art stream. She joined BA in social philosophy at Maharani College, Mysore. She earned first rank in BA. She sustained her entire education on scholarship. A professor guided her to continue education in foreign university. After returning from the foreign university, she started working in Karnataka. She had more interest in spreading the learning of sociology across Karnataka. Her major contribution to sociology are Politics and Religion, Sociological Essay on Veerasaivism, Socio-economic Status of Scheduled Caste and Tribes. So, we have understood about C. Parvathamma, how with a difficulty she has completed her education and contributed in the development of sociology in Karnataka, and she is a contemporary sociologist. Another important sociologist is Airavati Karve. She was a student of G.S. Gurre. She was a daughter-in-law of famous social reformist Maharishi Karve, and she had concern in social and national issues of country. And she studied her MA in Bombay University. Her important contributions are the kinship and organization in India, the Indian society, institutions and relationship are the some of the contribution of Airavati Karve. Another important sociologist is A.R. Desai. He was born in 1915 and passed away on 1994. His full name was Akshay Ramlal Desai. He was a student of G.S. Gurre. He worked as a UGC National Fellow and as a head of Department of Sociology of Bombay University. He followed Marxist ideology. He was identified as Marxist sociologist. His best work is The Sociological Background of Indian Nationalism. His another work is Indian Rural Sociology. Slum and Urbanization are his major works. He worked actively in Indian Sociological Society. Now we have understood about the Indian sociologists like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, G.S. Gurre, A.R. Desai, M.N. Srinivas, Parvathamma and Airavati Karve. So we have finished this chapter. Let us recap about this chapter, that is the introduction to sociology. In this chapter we have learnt about human being as an intellectual being, human being as social being, the meaning of sociology, definition of sociology, origin of sociology, scope and nature of sociology, importance of sociology, interrelationship between sociology and other social science, early sociologists, and lastly we have learnt about Indian sociologists.